Sea turtles are fascinating, ancient creatures that have roamed the oceans for over 100 million years, long before the appearance of humans. There are 7 species of sea turtles, all of which are either endangered or threatened due to various human activities. These species include the leatherback, green, loggerhead, hawksbill, olive ridley, Kemp's ridley, and flatback turtles. Sea turtles have a distinct, streamlined shell that helps them navigate through the water efficiently. Their shells, called carapaces, come in a variety of colors and patterns, depending on the species. Sea turtles cannot retract their heads and limbs into their shells like land turtles, but their large, paddle-like flippers make them excellent swimmers. They are generally large animals, with the leatherback being the largest species, growing up to 7 feet, 2 meters, long and weighing over 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms. Unlike the leatherback, which has a more flexible, leathery shell, other sea turtles have hard, bony carapaces. Their plastron, the belly side of the shell, is lighter in color and often flatter than their top shell. Their heads are large and non-retractable, allowing them to navigate the marine environment easily. Sea turtles are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the globe, though some species, like the leatherback, can travel to colder waters. They are highly migratory, traveling thousands of miles between feeding grounds and nesting sites. Some sea turtles, such as the green turtle, live in shallow coastal waters where they feed on seagrass and algae, while others, like the leatherback, prefer the open ocean where they can dive to great depths in search of jellyfish. Sea turtles spend the vast majority of their lives in the ocean, coming ashore only to nest. Female turtles return to the beaches where they were born, often traveling long distances to lay their eggs. Different species of sea turtles have different diets, based on their jaw structure and habitat. For example, green sea turtles are herbivores, primarily feeding on seagrasses and algae, which is why their fat has a greenish color, giving them their name. Loggerheads and hawksbills, on the other hand, are carnivorous and have strong jaws that help them crush crabs, mollusks, and other hard-shelled prey. Leatherback turtles primarily feed on jellyfish, playing a crucial role in controlling jellyfish populations in the ocean. Sea turtles are known for their remarkable navigational abilities. Females return to the beaches where they were born, a process called natal homing, to lay their eggs. Using the Earth's magnetic fields as a guide, they crawl ashore, usually at night, and dig a nest in the sand with their flippers. They lay 50 to 200 eggs, depending on the species, before covering the nest with sand and returning to the sea. After about 2 months, the hatchlings emerge, usually at night, and make a dangerous journey from the nest to the ocean. Predators such as crabs, birds, and fish prey on the hatchlings, and only a small percentage make it to adulthood. One of the most remarkable traits of sea turtles is their ability to travel vast distances across the ocean. Leatherbacks, for example, can travel up to 10,000 miles, 16,000 kilometers, each year between feeding and nesting sites. They have an innate ability to detect the Earth's magnetic field, which helps them navigate through the open ocean, returning to the same nesting beaches where they were born. Sea turtles face numerous threats from both natural and human sources. Poaching, for their meat, eggs, and shells, has greatly reduced their populations. Coastal development and pollution have destroyed nesting sites and degraded their habitat. Plastic pollution in the ocean, especially plastic bags, poses a serious threat as sea turtles often mistake these for jellyfish, leading to ingestion and, ultimately, death. Fishing nets, especially trawling nets, are another significant danger, with many sea turtles accidentally caught as bycatch. To mitigate this, devices like turtle excluder devices, TEDs, have been developed, allowing turtles to escape from fishing nets. Climate change also affects sea turtles, as rising sea levels and temperatures threaten both their nesting sites and their sex ratios. The temperature at which the eggs incubate determines the sex of the hatchlings, with warmer temperatures producing more females and cooler temperatures producing more males. As global temperatures rise, the skewed sex ratio could have long-term effects on sea turtle populations. In many cultures, sea turtles are considered symbols of longevity, wisdom, and endurance. They appear in myths and folklore around the world, from the Hawaiian legend of Honua the turtle that carried the world on its back to the Native American belief in Great Turtle Island. However, despite their revered status in many societies, human activities continue to pose a significant threat to their survival. Various international organizations, governments, and conservation groups are working to protect sea turtles. Protected nesting areas, beach monitoring, and hatchery programs help ensure that more hatchlings make it to the ocean. Marine Protected Areas, MPAs, help safeguard their feeding and migration habitats, while laws and regulations against the trade of sea turtle products have been implemented in many countries. Education and awareness campaigns have also played a crucial role in protecting sea turtles. Ecotourism, such as turtle watching tours, helps generate revenue for conservation efforts while educating the public about the importance of protecting these ancient mariners. Sea turtles are remarkable survivors that have existed for millions of years, but they now face increasing threats from human activities. Protecting them requires global cooperation, better laws, and public education. With continued efforts, there is hope for these beautiful creatures to thrive in the world's oceans for future generations.